hi,
Hello,
good
hi, good afternoon to
afternoon.
you.
Yes, welcome to my class. Can you hear and see me clearly?
Yes, I
That's
can hear
oh,
and see you clearly.
that's great. This is Osako, right?
Yes,
Nice to meet you
you, yes,
today,
it's nice to
Osako.
meet you today. And you
Eric.
pronounce my name correctly.
Oh
I
wow,
appreciate it.
I got it right. Wow, I'm so
Yes,
happy about it.
you get it right. Yes,
Wow, that's
thank you.
great. You're welcome. Okay, so I can see here you chose speaking 2 to 19 traffic rules. Wow,
Yes,
right?
traffic rules.
Okay,
Yes,
so let's start with the lesson. Let's start
yes.
with this picture. Please look at the picture. What
Mhm.
can you see in this picture?
I can see a man. I can see a man using his cell phone while he
Yes.
is driving.
Oh, while driving.
Yes.
Did I do that? I don't
Yes.
know.
We just common. It's common
It's
to see.
common,
It's
yes.
common to see this
That's true,
in
that's true.
in this. It's common to see this here. Yes.
I'm also guilty of that sometimes.
Also,
Yeah.
you are doing the same
S-
thing.
Not all the time.
Not
Okay,
all the time.
not all the time.
It's good to know.
I
Yes.
think maybe there's some important, call or text that I need to answer
Uh,
immediately or right away.
yes, I understand.
Okay,
Yes.
thank you. All right, let's proceed to the next
Yes.
part. Let's answer these
Yes.
questions. All
Yes.
right, so please answer my question. Let's have number one. What is this driver doing wrong?
What is so? This driver is using his cell phone while he is driving.
Yes, so it's dangerous, right?
Dangerous, or
Yeah.
can I say he is distracted
Aha.
by
Yes.
using his cell phone
Yes, you can say that.
when he
Yes.
is driving.
Exactly. He is distracted. Mm, that's true. That's correct sentence. And you say distracted.
Yes,
Yes. And it's risky to do that, right? You know,
it's risky,
it
risky.
is risky, yes, because sometimes you can see, some cars passing so fast, or people passing
Mm-mm.
slowly, and you're not aware about that.
Oh, that's
Are
too. That's very dangerous.
very
Mm.
dangerous. I agree with that, yes. So let's have the sample answer. It's actually the
Yes.
same. It says he is
Mm.
using his mobile phone while driving. As
He
simple as
is
that.
using his mobile phone while driving.
While driving, yes.
Yes.
Okay, let's have the next.
Yes.
Number two.
Yes.
Why is it dangerous to do that?
Mm-mm.
What could happen?
Because he might cause a car accident if
Yes.
he isn't aware of the car other cars passing, or yeah,
Yes.
passing, or other cars or passengers passing,
Uh,
and even yes, because he is distracted by using his cell
Cell
phone.
phone,
So I
yes.
believe
Mm.
he can't be very aware of or
Yes.
the traffic
Yeah, that's a nice. He
condition
can't
or
be
situation,
aware. Regulations,
traffic
traffic,
situation,
rules, and regulations. Yes,
regulations. So
that's right.
maybe the driver couldn't keep a proper distance.
Yeah,
Keep a proper
also
from the keep a proper distance
from the other car, from the other
from the other
vehicle.
cars. Yes,
Yes,
because
yes.
I experienced because
Yeah.
before I only had
Just one
there was only maybe
one
one
inch, one
centimeter.
inch, 1 centimeter. Oh my.
And
That's very close, very close.
I break. How should I say?
Oh,
But
you forgot
soon
to use the brake?
mm, I I for actually I forgot why I
Hmm.
was distracted. What I was
What?
distracted by. But
Okay.
when I
Mm-hmm.
what not realized when I was aware of
Mm-hmm.
I was too close to the car in front of
Oh.
me. There was only a
Hmm.
very short distance
Yeah.
between us, and the car,
Oh.
and because the car truck that truck
It was a
stopped.
truck?
Uh, a small truck,
A
not a
small
big
truck.
one.
Okay, not a
Yes,
big one,
so
yes.
not a big one, just
Hmm.
like a wagon or something.
Uh-huh.
Small one, just a smaller one. So
Yes.
it stopped suddenly, so I couldn't react properly.
Yeah, of
Then we only
course.
had one a short distance.
Just one
Short,
centimeter. Very
yeah,
close.
I suppose I
Yeah.
yeah,
It's
so
almost there. You could
almost
almost
there.
hit
But
or
unfortunately, I didn't
oh.
hit his car, and there was an elder. He was
Mhm.
he is an
Elder. Oh, really? He was an
elderly
elder.
person.
Elderly person.
Yeah, he is an elderly person, and
Oh.
he scolded me, or he complained,
He made a complaint.
made a
Really?
complaint from his driving
Mm.
seat. He didn't get out of the car, but he just
Look at
yeah,
you.
looked back to me from
Mm-hmm.
his window.
Uh-huh.
So
Did he
then
call any police? No?
no,
No?
because we fortunately I
Mhm.
didn't hit his car.
Okay.
I stopped immediately. So
Did he
it was
shout? Did
all
he
my
shout
fault.
at you?
Yes, yes, he
Oh,
because
he
he was
shouted.
oh he is old, so he couldn't shout out very
Loud,
loudly.
very
He
loud. So
couldn't
he
shout
was
out very
yelling.
loud, but I knew he was very angry
Oh,
at me.
at you, and it was your
Yeah, he was
fault,
very
right?
angry
It
at
was
my
your fault.
behavior,
So,
my
okay.
maybe careless
I
behavior.
see. So you just
But
apologized.
I just I
Mm.
apologized to him with gesture.
Oh, good
Because
gesture.
yeah, because
Not
I
a
suppose
word, not a word.
he couldn't hear me.
I
Yes,
could.
because
There's
it's
a
from
hearing issue because
no, because we are both of
outside.
us
Oh, you're
were
far
in
from each
our
other.
car. We
Oh, okay.
didn't both of us didn't get off the car.
I
The
see,
cars.
I see, I see.
Yes.
Oh, but the
So
good.
after that,
Mm,
I really became a more careful
more
driver
careful.
after
That's a good learning
from that time on.
experience. Yes.
Yes.
It was just like a second life for you, right? Because
Second life.
yeah, we don't know what might happen if you, for example, you collided with the other truck. It was just a small truck, right?
Yes.
But it's still dangerous, right?
Dangerous.
It
Yes.
is, it is, it is. Oh, good thing you are safe.
Yes, I'm
You are
safe. Yes.
safe, yes. Okay, so we still have a lesson today
Yes. Yes.
because you are safe.
Yes. Yes.
Yes. Okay. So, um, you know, I appreciate it very much. You can really like tell a story clearly.
Yes,
Yeah.
I really trying my
Yeah.
I'm really trying my to
Actually,
tell
the
you
grammar
the
and
story.
sentences were really good. Wow, that
Yes,
was
but please
amazing.
correct me if
Yeah,
you
actually, I was
find
trying
any.
to find out some errors, but it was great. It was okay.
Uh, yes, it is understandable.
Yeah, that was clear. All right, so
Yes,
let's
thank you.
continue. You're welcome. So let's have the sample answer this
Yes.
time for number two, okay? Could you please read the sample answer?
Yes, so he is not aware whether there is another car in front of him. He could
Oh,
get into an accident. Yes,
exactly. So
that's good.
that is the problem, right? So
Yes.
you're not aware.
Mm,
Yeah.
mm,
So an accident could
good.
happen anytime. Mm,
Yes.
dangerous. So let's move now to the third question. Mm.
Yes.
Do you use
Mm,
hands-free cell phone devices
mm.
while driving?
Oh, uh, yes, yes. Hands-free cell phone devices. So I think it's automatically
It is.
transferred.
Yeah, it's automatically
So if
transferred.
so I don't need to do
Mm.
anything with
Yeah, you
it.
don't need to hold
But
it.
but usually
Mm.
usually usually aside from
Mm.
calling to my family,
Mm-hmm.
or if I really have an emergency,
Okay.
I don't call,
All right, all right.
even
Mm.
using hands-free cell phone
Oh, wow.
devices.
That
Yes,
is,
while driving.
yeah, that's more, that's safe. That's safer, right? That's good, that's good.
But it's a good thing. It's really convenient.
It
If
is.
someone calls me and I can just
It is, it
push the
can help.
button, right?
Yeah, just push the
Uh,
button, yes.
then I
That's true.
can answer the call.
Yeah.
Yes.
Yeah.
But I really appreciate my
Mhm.
family and the friends if they find that if they know I
That
am
you're
driving,
driving,
that they
yes.
will if they
Exactly.
don't have something urgent, they
Yes.
will call back later, or
Yeah.
waiting for me to call them
So
after.
that's right. So it means that it's also better to tell our family that we are driving, right? So they're aware and they're not
Yes.
calling us or they're not gonna text us while we are driving, right? So,
Yes, but sometimes maybe I am on the way to
mm,
my appointment. So
okay, they're
if I
not
have
aware,
something
right?
to, yeah, I have to
Mm,
contact my friends. I'm going to
ah,
meet. So
hmm,
only at that time I
that's right,
will
that's right.
use I will use my cell phone.
So not all the time that they would know that you are driving, right? Your family
Mm-mm.
members wouldn't know all the
Yes.
time. Mm, that's true.
Yeah. So if and I especially currently,
Mm,
if they want to chat with
with
me,
you,
usually
yes.
they text me.
Ah, yeah, just
uh,
text.
the text. So when
Mm,
both of us have our free time
yeah,
or spare time, then
yeah,
we
that's
can
right.
take our time, reply
Hmm. At
reply
once,
to
right? Yeah.
just.
It's better. It's a lot better when you have your
uh,
free time and then you start communicating with each other, right?
yes,
Uh, but some people, it's like it's just normal for them to communicate with someone even though they're
while
drunk.
driving.
Yeah, while
Yes,
driving.
because it's really chatting with someone is really a
Yeah,
waste of time,
yeah,
because we can't, most of us
mm,
can't just sit down sit down and
yeah,
chat with them on the phone.
exactly,
So
exactly.
maybe it's more productive
Yeah, that's
to
right.
talk to them on the phone and
While
while we are
driving,
doing some,
yes, yes, yes.
or yes, no
It's
matter what we are doing, driving or
yes,
doing the household chores.
yeah. See, it's like some people, they have time to talk to their families while driving. I mean, it's their spare time talking with them because they're
Mm-hmm.
busy with so many activities. And
Yes.
yeah, while they're
But
driving, they're
sometimes
free to
actually I
talk.
do. I sometimes I do this, but
Yeah.
only when I chat with my mom because
Hmm.
she is talkative,
Mm.
and I
Oh,
can't
I see.
really spend too much
Mm.
time talking to her, and especially we talk to each other every day.
So she's
So we
consuming
can't.
like hours.
Uh,
Yeah.
yes, so I
Okay.
try to reduce
Mm.
our time talking
And talking to
on
each other. Yeah.
yes, so because we talk to each other every day,
Every
so
day. For how many
so
hours do you talk to each
yes,
other?
but we don't I don't have I'm not very talkative with my mom.
Oh, but she is,
So
right? She
usually
is.
I am listening to her.
Yeah. Yeah,
Mm.
when our moms are getting older, they're like looking for some attention from their
Mm.
kids, from their children, they missed us so much. That's why.
Yes, especially
Yeah.
we are not living together.
Yeah, that's
So
right.
my
That's
mom just want her daughter to mm, care
right.
to
Yes.
care care about her,
About her. Yes, yes, yes.
care about her.
Yeah, to take care about her or like to think about her, right?
To think about her.
Yeah, that's right. I see. Just like my mother too.
Ah,
Yeah,
really?
same. Yeah, she's already like 77, something like that. Yes.
77.
Yes. All right, that was great. So let's